Once the size of 38,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools, the water left in central Chile's Peñuelas reservoir now only fills 2. Local resident Amanda Carrasco is alarmed.
It's disgraceful. We have to beg God to send us water.
Amid an historic 13-year drought brought on by global shifts in climate patterns, the huge expanse of dried and cracked earth that was once the lake bed is littered with fish skeletons and desperate animals searching for water. The situation has led Chile's capital, Santiago, to make unprecedented plans for potential water rationing. 20 years ago, this reservoir was the main source of water for Valparaiso, a city of over 1 million people today. The reservoir needs rainfall, once reliable in winter, but now at historic lows. That's according to José Luis Murillo, general manager of ESVAL, the company that supplies Valparaiso with water.
Basically, what we have is a puddle of water, actually mud, and it is completely unusable. We were talking about a Dante-esque situation from the perspective of the drought.
Rainfall levels have slumped in the mountainous South American nation. Higher air temperatures have meant snow in the Andes, once a key store of meltwater is not compacting, melts faster, or turns straight to vapor. Behind the issue, academic studies have found, is a global shift in climate patterns. Rising global sea temperatures block coastal storms that have typically recharged aquifers and packed the Andes with snow. Alex Godoy Fuentes is the director of the Sustainability Research Center at the University for Development.
The water situation in the country is critical because today we are seeing the impacts that were predicted 20 and 30 years ago in regards to a decrease in rainfall.
Segundo Abalay, an animal breeder in the Chilean village of Montenegro, is praying change comes soon.
If it doesn't rain this year, we will be left with nothing to do. There is no alternative because the animals are getting weaker and are dying every day.
A 2019 study in the International Journal of Climatology that analyzed Chile's drought from 2010 to 2018 said shifting weather events could ease the drought in the future, but much would depend on the trajectory of human emissions impacting climate. Unfortunately for agriculture workers like Abalay, researchers at the University of Chile predict the country will have 30% less water over the next 30 years, based on mathematical models and historic data.